You're brave to come up here.
That's really creeping me out.
It's really creeping you out. Well, you're still brave.
You're really brave.
There you go.
He's looking up to see you real.
I promise y'all saw me crazy Jack coming out. I promise I'll drop you.
I'm gonna come out
Thank you. I like the way this color's going on my jersey.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you getting up?
Did everybody get something?
Probably not.
I bet you're
scared.
Give me some candy!
Go get him. No. Go get him. I'm coming with you.
Welcome to my house.
Here, push the button.
Look at you, you're brave. There you go.
You did a good job.
You're welcome.
Julia.
Yeah, what's that?
Here, go tell him. Go tell him. Go tell him.
You can wait for me.
You have some candy, how say hi?
Say thank you. Go say hello to the skeleton.
Hello, skeletons.
Go shake his hand.
Wait,
Go,
are you
go
ready?
shake his hand. Say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
Don't scare
All
her
right.
away.
Come on, Lala.
Mm.
Hey,
Now
over
she's
this way.
scared.
Over this way.
Help! Help!
Help
me!
All right, come on this way.
Help!
This one's so cute.
Prepare to die.
You had that chainsaw rep a couple minutes ago.
You're brave, huh? She was. I wasn't sure she was going to make it. Here you go. You're brave, too.
He keeps eyeballing me. He keeps eyeballing me.
I gotta watch out.
Tell him to come down. Oh, God. You're not gonna do it! Go! Back! Go! Okay, you get the door now. No, you're getting the door. Go. You're a ninja, dude. I'm a cat. I don't got any real weapons. That guy sucks. I'm out of here. I didn't get any candy from him. He sucks.
To die.
I'm up to about 15. He said to say hi. Can I get a picture of you just sitting there?
Oh my god.
No. I failed on the mask.
What are you supposed to be? Do it!
My mask.
Do it! Oh,
Okay. Trick or treat.
I love your nail polish. It's a great color. Here you go. Thank you. Hi. Excuse me. Here you go. Thank you. Hi. Here you go. What are you dressed as? Oh, alright. You're welcome. Go!
Prepare to die.
Everybody's all scared, all back there laughing.
It's Halloween. No, he was only scary when he first got me. I thought he was fake.
You skip on that shit. You make me Horatio! What? You're not really just here to say that? What? You're not really just here to say that?
I can say that. I don't know.
It's just a mannequin.
Help me! Help!
Is that Johnny's voice? Is that Johnny's voice? Yeah. I think it is. Alright, we're gonna go watch back. This is a mannequin we love.
Welcome to my house.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help!
I've never seen it jump.
Good to see you.
Hi. I like your outfit. What'd you say?
Doesn't scare me.
Oh, thank you. That works too.
Trick or treat. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm scared of it.
It's just a man.
I'm not going up there.
You've been here. No, you're just here.
Hey, that guy's real. Hey,
Alright.
he's real.
I'm a cholo.
Yeah.
That's not a good way to get candy.
Yeah. That's how
Where's
we
someone
do
piece
it.
our pants? Jordan, I mean, no, stay, please stay. No, Javon, it's like throwing up and running. Thank you.
Look how brave he is. Wow. You're so brave.
You're welcome.
High five me.